So hi investors, welcome to today's video. Today we are gonna look one of the interesting bet in defense and railway sector, and this company is growing healthy. It has become previously a multi-bagger and now it has corrected significantly. So let's just look at this company. When you see a trade, you notice that engine, maybe the coaches, sometimes the speed, but what you don't see is that are hundreds of engineered components that actually makes the train move safely. And behind many of these components there are the companies you have never probably heard of. So one of them is Cosmic CRF Ltd, and a company has started small but is now trying to be a something much bigger than what you think of. So let's just deep dive on this company in this video. Stay tuned. So let's just start with its origin. Company founded in 2021, Cosmic CRF began as a cold rolled forming company. Simple business: take a steel, process it, and supply components primarily for railway wagons, coaches, infrastructure projects. But within a few years, this company didn't stay a single product player, but it started expanding aggressively. That's the main thing. The big shift. Initially, Cosmic has around 550 SKUs. Today, they have around 4,500 SKUs. This is not just a growth, this is transformation. The company is moving from product company to engineering platform, and now operating across CRF, railway components, sheet piles, infrastructure projects, and crash barriers, even poles and structure fabrication for wagons. And this matters because more products is equal to more customer and more tenders and even higher wallet share. So let's just look at its railway opportunity. Indian railway ecosystem is expanding. Dedicated freight corridors, wagon modernization, refurbishment of cycle, and new rolling stock is going come. So and Cosmic is plugged directly to this system, and clients includes wagon manufacturing, Indian Railway Division, and even infrastructure EPC companies. Order book is around 600 crores. And but here's the interesting part is that management is focused on revenue, uh, and they are focused on tonnage. So and also they are focused on tonnage. That's what I want to say. Let's just see why tonnage matters here. Earlier steel price were high, 1 lakh per ton. Now the steel price are low, 65,000 per ton. So even if you sell the same quantity, revenue looks smaller. But that's why management says that don't look at revenue, look at volume, because real growth is happening in product scale, production scale, and even capacity utilization. So interesting part of this company is they are massively scaling up. So let's just talk about their H1 numbers. FY26 revenue was up by 80% on YOY basis, and EBITDA was increased by 73% on YOY basis. Margin was up by 9% to 15%, and volume was around up by from 22,000 metric ton to 47,000 metric ton, which is more than double. FY26 target is around 1 lakh metric ton. So let's just see in this H2 how they do it. So this is incremental growth. This is a scale up model. So let's just now look at their platform strategy. Cosmic is not building one business, but it's building a multiple verticals. Core CRF business, railway components, stable demand. Second comes NS engineering, infra play, sheet pills, pole, galvanized structure. Margin is around 13% here. Third comes is Cosmic Springs, high margin niche, railway suspension springs, 25% margins potentially. Here the Frontier Spring company is also there. Fourth come is a forging unit, future ready, shift from casting to forging, aligned with railway upgrades, and this creates a diversification plus scalability. If you want to know more about the spring and forging division, you can even look towards its my last video of Frontier Spring. They are also in these both things, and this company is in four different type of products. So that's quite interesting. But they are this Frontier Spring is only specialized in these two things: margin springs and forging division. So the company's big bet is on Amgen. Now comes the most important part, that Amgen acquisition. This is the company's biggest optionality. If it goes through, entry into a bridge gridders largest fabrication Wagon manufacturing ecosystem. Timeline is around 3 to 9 months post acquisition to start contribution. And but here's the key insight: if Amgen doesn't happen, the company can still build similar capacity, but it will take 2 extra years. But now they can scale up in 3 to 9 months. So this is not about if growth happens, it is about how fast it happens. The real moat of the company is Cosmic is not building a brand, but it's building a capability. Its moat comes from engineering flexibility, ability to product multiple SKUs, galvanizing plus fabrication integration, serving both railway plus infra. And management even says if railway stops, we can switch to infra, and that's fungibility of asset, and that's a powerful thing. And that's the diversification thing, right? We need a business where there is a much kind of diversification, where if one thing stops, another thing is there to contribute towards revenue and profitability. So let's just look at the recently changed things. The biggest shift is not revenue, it's a cash flow discipline. Earlier negative operating cash flow of 90 crores, and now almost neutral. How strict collection discipline and controlled receivable, this shows the execution maturity and even improving. It is improving. So now let's just look at its risk part. There is not one company which is risk free. Key risk is the like dependency on railway ecosystem, execution delay, monsoon infra sites, steel price volatility, working capital intensity, and Amgen execution risk. Also this is a scale business, so if it scale slows, margin can reverse. So that's is a kind of risk this company has. So my final thoughts and a conclusion of this video is that Cosmic CRF is not just a railway supplier anymore. It's trying to become a full stack engineered steel platform, from wagon component to infrastructure system to fabrication and forging. The real question comes here: can it scale and execution as fast as they scale the ambition? Because if it does, this small company could quietly become a very large player in India's industrial ecosystem. And if you know that forging capex needs a low capex, and they can create a large kind of revenue. So let's just look very focusedly toward that forging division, because last time when we were tracking this frontier spring, that also become very much multiplier for us even though. So when they came with the forging division, the capex was almost 6 crore 4 crores. That was contributed kind of 10x of their capex or 100x of their capex, something like that. So that's the thing, like they are also, these people are also moving toward the forging and spring. So that's a quite good thing. You need to track such companies. See, you will never see on my platform, on our platform, like companies like Titagar or BML, because they are already become a multi-bagger. But we track the companies which are to be a multi-bagger, because see, we need to study the company which can make us a rich, okay, which can make us which can change our status or use kind of returns. So that's where we are focusing towards, right? I know various the influencer are making continuous videos on Titagar, BML, and kind of certain name only again and again and again and again. So they are already become a multi-bagger. यार कितना उसको choose हो गया. So that's how it works. So our focus is only on niche. We are going towards a small company, a SME or a small cap or micro cap, which can deliver a kind of unexpected growth and unexpected return also. So stay tuned if you want to watch such kind of video, if you want to make a real return in this stock market game. So if you don't know, we also met last week Ashish Kacholia. I have posted the video, photo on this YouTube. So please check it. So got a quite much info from him. Very down to earth person, great person, very much informative, and yeah, great person, right? So yeah, that's it from my side in this video, guys. Hit the like, share and subscribe the button. Subscribe the video, make the YouTube brother happy, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.